Here's another in-depth appliance repair video from Sheen Appliance Repair and Parts. Today I'm going to show you how to put a temperature switch on a Whirlpool dryer. The tools you'll need are a straight screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, a 5/16 and 1/4 inch nut driver, and a pair of chan locks or pliers, your basic tools. First thing I'm going to do is go to the front of the dryer and take the knob off of the temperature switch. Go around to the back and take the back plate off the console. And you'll see your temperature switch right there. Go ahead and unplug the electric harness. And locate the prong that's located on the right side of the switch. You're going to lift that up and then twist it to the left. Just like so. And when you do, it'll come right out. And you'll see the square housing on the switch that fits into that square hole right there on the console. Get your new switch, put it back in there, and twist it to the right. And that prong will seat into a hole into the console. Put your electric harness back in. And that's pretty much it. After that, what we're going to do is we're going to take our 1/4 inch nut driver and put your screws back in the back plate. Just like so. Then go to the front of the dryer and put your knob back on.